I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We're back in Etobicoke. Today we have something special for you, a 3-bedroom with a den at an incredible price. New condo buyers are used to confined spaces. That's not the case here in this particular unit at 15 Larose, number 915. Exceptional space, condominium designed for a full family. 3 full-size bedrooms. The primary suite features an ensuite bath and a walk-in closet. There's a very large den, open concept living room and dining room, a foyer to meet your guests, and a large kitchen as well. The views inside 915 and outside are exceptional. Living room, dining room, all 3 bedrooms, and the large solarium as you walk through it onto this very spacious balcony, all face south. Lots of wonderful natural light, as well as looking over a park setting. This is a well-maintained building at 15 Larose. On top of having an incredible location near the Humber River, got this upgraded lobby area to meet your guests, as well as updated elevators. What a location here in Etobicoke. You can actually see and hear the Humber River, not to mention transits at your doorstep, not only on Scarlet Road, but right in front of the building. Talk about convenience. Not to mention these beautiful walking trails, some of which can extend all the way down to the lake shore. 15 Larose Avenue has also had some recent renovations, including the balconies, balcony doors that lead to the balconies, and the windows. With a building that has amenities like plenty of visitor parking, tennis courts, this is an exceptional value. 15 Larose, number 915 is a 3-bedroom plus a den that you should see. If you'd like to know more about this listing, please feel free to contact me, Mattei, at matteirealty.ca or 416-557-7653. 416-557 sold. Thank you.